Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you fix once human network error on PC. So guys, I will solve this problem step by step and let's get started. Go guys on the search of Windows and go to setting as you can see here, and go to network and internet and going to configurations, and as you can see here, and scroll down and go to internet option, and this pop okay, going to this option advanced, and guys click on this option okay, or accessibility option, accessibility, and you solve this problem of internet. And with your internet okay, and check this network, you have a stable network guys to solve this problem. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and see you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content, and see you soon. Keep watching guys.